Hello everyone and welcome back to Next Minutes. Today I come with this math question and try to solve by your own and feature in our list. Shout out list actually. Whatever your answer will be, I will give you shout out here. And coming to our question, 60 divided by 1 by 6 times 6. So if you think like 60 divided by 1 by 6 into 6 and 6 ones are 6 and 60 divided by 1 and which will keep 60 as an answer, then this is the wrong method. So what will be the right way? I will solve in a right way and with step by step, so many will understand. 60 divided by 1 by 6 times 6, as you know, if you are my regular viewer, then you know what we have to do. 60 divided by 6, first we will do this operation because multiplication division same priority and have to solve left to right. So 60 is divided by 6, 1 by 6 actually, we have to apply the KCF rule here. 60, we have to keep 60 as it is. We will write again here 60. Division will be changed to multiplication and 6 by 1. 1 by 6 will be 1 6 by 1 times 6. So what we have 60 times 6 into 6. Okay, 60 times 6, that is equal to 360 and 360 6, what we have 360 times 6, 6 times 0 0, 6 times 6, that is 6, 36, 6 times 3, that is 260. So here right answer is 2 1 6 and 0. Okay, so try to solve these math videos and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.